Hey everyone, and welcome to my show. My name is Valerie Broadbent, and today we are talking about a subject that is very personal to me and important for everyone out there to listen to. Whether you yourself are over the age of 60 or have a loved one like a spouse or a father or a brother who are at that age, please listen up. It could be a matter of life and death. Our topic today is heart disease among men 60 plus. Elderly men in Salt Lake County with the following certain risk factors especially need to listen up. These include smoking, physical inactivity, obesity, poor diet, hypertension, high cholesterol, and diabetes mellitus. I want to help you and your family understand that they are at a higher risk for heart disease. Please understand the importance of what you can do to help prevent shortened life from the leading cause of death. Let me share a story with you. Over 20 years ago, when I was in junior high, my family was at a country music concert and my father had a heart attack. Dad was a hard worker, pretty active, but he didn't work out and he loved to eat sweets. Luckily, there were paramedics on scene, so they were able to get him to a hospital and save his life. He was in the hospital for many days and also had to have surgery where they insert a balloon into a vein in his leg, thread it up to his heart, and then open the clogged arteries by inflating the balloon. It was a pretty traumatic situation for my family at the time, but from then on, my dad tried to eat healthier and continued to live a happy, healthy life. Fast forward to this awesome year we call 2020. My father is much older now, well over the age of 60 years. Actually, he's in his 70s. Dad is still fairly active and is super into clean eating. But even with his lifestyle, he has started to slow down. This fall, he went elk hunting just as he does every fall with my brothers. This year, he seemed a bit different, slower, and hiking up the hill winded him much faster than normal. On the last day, my brothers almost had to carry him down because he was just too tired to keep going. Long story short, my dad came home, went to the doctor, and what was supposed to be a short outpatient surgery to scope some arteries in his heart turned out to be 10 days in the hospital, and a quadruple bypass surgery. My dad is alive, but we realize now more than ever that each day is a gift. He has officially been diagnosed with coronary heart disease. If I could spare even just one person out there the pain and fear of having to deal with this terrible disease, it would be worth it to me. So I want to help you take initiative, get moving, and start thinking about you or your family members' lifestyle choices so that you or they can live longer and feel better. Here are some points I want you to ponder. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the U.S. Healthy food choices not only help your heart, but taste good and help with other health issues like digestion and colon health. Eating more fruits and vegetables and less fatty food will also reduce your risk of heart disease. Because smoking is so addictive, quitting immediately prolongs your life. Immediately. If you breathe unhealthy air, including smoking, then your risk is significantly higher, so quit smoking. Be careful not to go out in unhealthy air. Going for a walk and getting your body moving helps keep your heart beating and blood flowing freely through your heart. Moving your body also helps boost your mood. Trying to keep your heart healthy will also help other health disparities. A healthy diet and healthy weight equals a healthy heart. Losing weight will allow you to move more freely and overall feel better. And maintaining a healthy weight or losing excess weight will result in less stress on your heart and can help you live longer. What I'm trying to say here is that I just want you to live longer. Please don't wait until it's too late. Go online now to www.healthyheart.com/seniors to learn more about what you can do and how you can help. This disease affects us all. Thank you.